Are you ready to unbox? Okay, ready?
Oh, Mommy! Wow! Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Mommy, with this one.
For scissor.
That's it on.
Ate, please.
Yay! Give me. Wow, the painting.
What's that? Presenting the Smartwatch for kids. Hi, this is Mami Chadugan and
Jessie,
today we're gonna unbox and do the demo.
the what?
What's inside the box? User manual, USB charger, instruction paper to set a phone and SIM card, and the smartwatch. Here are the technical details of the smartwatch. Press and hold the power button to turn on. If the device fails to turn on, this could be caused by low battery. Please try again after recharging the device for 5 minutes. Remove the silicone plug on the USB charging port and then connect the micro USB to charge. Make sure that smartwatch is off when installing the SIM card. SIM card is not included. Link for SIM card is available in the description down below. Make sure that your SIM card is registered before installing to your smartwatch. The multifunctional smartwatch contains 16 functions like contacts, two-way calling, camera, photo, video, music, recording, calculator, calendar, alarm, stopwatch, and games. The phone book can save 10 numbers. Select and click contact to save the phone numbers. You can go to contact and click the contact person to call or select dial to enter the number to call out directly. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Okay, bye, Daddy. For the camera, click the left button to take a picture. To use the other camera, click the right button to switch. To view your saved photos, select and click the photos. To record a video, click and select video to start recording. You can view your saved video by selecting player in the main menu and start playing.
Sweetheart. Hush.
Listen.
I love it, Dobby. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Calculator is also available in this smartwatch. Calendar is also available on this smartwatch. You can also save alarms on this smartwatch. Select the wallpaper in the main menu and click to enter. You can set the background wallpaper on the main menu. For the tools, there is a menu for stopwatch, timer, and file management. There are 6 games available in this smartwatch. For the settings, there's a language available that you can select. You can set the time, date, and time format. Call log is available on this smartwatch. You can also select if you want a silent mode. For parental control, long press the screen to enter the parental control settings. According to the prompt, click the corresponding color area 3 times to unlock and enter the parental control setting. Daily game time can be set to no play, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or unlimited. This is the smartwatch for kids. The link is available in the description down below. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.